Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to use these earbuds. So let's start. The first tip is about how to connect these earbuds with your device. So first of all, turn on Bluetooth on your device. So I will bring down this quick panel. I will select this Bluetooth icon. It will open the Bluetooth settings and then I will select done. Now in the next step, you have to insert these earbuds inside the charging case. So I will insert them one by one. Make sure they are properly connected. In the next step, you have to close this charging case for 3 seconds and then you have to open it again. So I will open it again and now it will show you the connection option. So you can select this connect option from here and then it will start making the connection. It will also start the process for Galaxy wearable app installation. So here you can see now it is installing Galaxy wearable app. Now you can see the app is installed. So from here you can select this continue option and then select next and then again select next, and here you can see it is saying you are all set. You just have to wait for a few seconds and here you can see Galaxy Buds 3 Pro are now connected with my device and they are also connected with Galaxy wearable app. The next step is about Buds 3 Pro widget. So you just have to pinch your screen like this and then here you can see we have this option of widgets. So select this widgets option and then scroll down and here you will see Galaxy Buds 3 Pro Manager. You can select this arrow and here it will show you the widget. So I will select it and then I will select add. So here you can see Buds 3 Pro widget is added to my home screen. So now you can use this widget for different functions. So I will just wear these earbuds in my ears and here you will see you can easily control any of these functions directly from here. So here you can see you can directly control from your home screen. You can also access the Galaxy wearable app directly from here. So you just tap it like this, it will open the Galaxy wearable app. Now let's talk about controls. So the first control is about volume. So if you want to increase the volume, you have to swipe on this side. So you have to swipe up. So I will just swipe up like this and here you can see it is showing you the volume up. And then if you want to decrease the volume, you just have to swipe it down. So I will just swipe it down like this and here you can see the volume is decreased. If you want to play or pause the music, you have to pinch on this side on any of these earbuds. So you just have to pinch it like this to play the music and then if you want to pause it, you have to pinch it again one time. If you want to play the next track, you have to just press it 2 times. So you just have to pinch it 2 times like this for the next track. And then if you want to go back to the previous track, you have to press it 3 times. So you have to pinch it 3 times like this and then it will go back to the previous track. So these earbuds also have LED lights here at the back side. If you want to turn them on, you have to hold both of these earbuds together and then you have to press and hold them together from this side. So I will press and hold it like this. So here you can see the LED lights are now turned on. If you want to turn off these LED lights, you have to press and hold it like this again and then they will turn off. To answer the call, you have to pinch it 1 time. So you just have to pinch it like this and you can answer the call using your earbuds. If you want to decline the call, you have to press and hold it. So you have to press and hold it like this to decline the call. You can also do controls customization. First of all, go to Galaxy wearable app and then scroll down and here you can see we have this option of earbud controls. So you can select this option. So the very first customization is about media controls. So I will select it like this and here you have all different options that I already mentioned about media control for these earbuds. If you don't want any of these options, you can turn it off from here. Now I will go back and the next customization is about pinch and hold controls. So the first option is about left earbud. So I will select it like this. So you can see currently this pinch and hold control is set to switch noise controls between active noise cancelling and ambient sound. But if you don't want this option, you have another three options. So you can go for digital assistant, mindfulness, or Spotify. So I will go back from here, and the same options are available for right earbud. So I will select it like this, and from here you can select any of these options. So I will go back from here, and the next one is answer call or end call. If you don't want to use this pinch option, you can turn it off from here. And this one is about declining a call. So currently it is set to pinch and hold. If you don't want this, you can also turn it off from here. And the last one is about earbud lights control. So here you can see, you can select it like this, and here you have three different options. So the first one is blinking, the second one is fade in and out, and the last one is steady. So you can select any of these light controls options. The next step is about auto switch to ambient sound. So I will open the Galaxy Wearable app, and then I will scroll down, and here is the option of auto switch to ambient sound. So I will select this option. The first option is about voice detect. So you can enable this option. So now for example, you are listening to some music and someone starts talking to you, it will automatically enable the ambient sound. So you can listen to the other person without removing your earbuds. You can also enable this siren detect option. So now for example, you are in a gym and some kind of siren ring, it will automatically enable the ambient sound. Okay, and the next one is use ambient sound during calls. So you can also enable this option if you want to hear your own voice during calls. The next step is about 360 audio. So first of all, open the Galaxy Wearable app, scroll down, and here you can see we have this option of sound quality and effects. So I will select this option. So the very first option is about 360 audio. So you can enable this option. So I will enable like this, and then you can listen to the sound from all direction. So this feature will give you Dolby Atmos experience. You can also enable this head tracking option. So if I enable this option, so it will adjust the sound direction when you turn your head. So it always sounds like it's coming from the video you are watching. The next step is about equalizer. So I will open the Galaxy Wearable app, and then I will scroll down, and then I will select sound quality and effects. And here you can see we have this option of equalizer. So I will select this option, and here you can see we have 6 different preset equalizers are available. So you can select any of these equalizers. For example, we have bass boost, smooth, dynamic, treble boost. So you can select any of these. You can also customize your own equalizer as well. So select this custom option, and then from here you can customize your own equalizer manually. So here you can see the next step is about adjust sound to fit. So you have to go back from equalizer, and here you can see we have this option of adjust sound to fit. So you can enable this option, so it will automatically adjust sound based on ear shape. You can also do earbud fit test. So select this option from here, and then you have to wear both of these earbuds, and then you have to select this start option, and then you can do your earbud fit test. The next step is about neck stretch reminder. This is one of the best feature from these earbuds. First of all, go to Galaxy Wearable app, and then scroll down, select earbud settings, and then from here you can see we have this option of neck stretch reminders. So select this option. So you can enable it from here. So now your earbuds detect your head position and notify you when you have bent your head downward for 10 minutes. And here it is also showing you how to stretch your neck. So you have to wear your earbuds and follow the instruction for earbud calibration. The next step is about voice controls. So open the Galaxy Wearable app, scroll down, and here you can see we have this earbud settings. So select this option, and then you can see the very first option is about voice controls. So you can select this option, and then you can enable voice commands. So I will enable it from here. Now you can wear any of these earbuds and you can give any command. For example, I say volume up, so it will increase the volume. And then for example, I say volume down, it will automatically decrease the volume. So you can also use it for music. For example, you can say play music or stop music, and then it will play or stop the music. And then you can also use it to answer or reject the call. The next step is about in-ear detection. So open the Galaxy Wearable app and then scroll down, select earbuds settings. And you can see the second option is about in-ear detection. So you can select this option. So here inside in-ear detection, the first option is about switch calls to phone when both earbuds removed. So you can enable this option. So now for example, when you are on a call and you remove your earbuds, it will automatically switch call to your phone. The next option is about pause media when one earbud remove. You can also enable this option. So now for example, you are listening to music and now for example, you remove one earbud. So it will automatically pause that music. The next step is about read notifications aloud. First of all, open the Galaxy Wearable app, scroll down, select earbuds settings, and then here you can see we have this option of read notifications aloud. So you can select this option and then here it will show you all the apps, okay, and you can enable any of these apps for notification. So for example, you can listen to these notification in your earbuds. So you can enable them for your emails or for WhatsApp or for any other app. The next step is about seamless earbud connection. So first of all, go to Wearable app and then scroll down, go to earbuds settings. Once you go inside earbuds settings, here you can see we have this option of seamless earbud connection. So you can select this option and you can enable this option from here. So it will automatically switch to the device where you are playing your media. So this will be really helpful in Samsung ecosystem, but make sure to sign in with same Samsung account. You can also enable gaming mode. So just go back from here and then here you can see we have this option of labs. So you can select labs and then here we have this gaming mode. So you can enable this option. It will minimize the audio delay for synchronized gaming sound. The next step is about left-right sound balance. First of all, go to Wearable app and then scroll down, select earbuds settings. And then inside earbuds settings, scroll down and from here you can select accessibility. So for example, if someone is partially deaf from left or right ear, they can adjust the sound level accordingly. So from here, they can adjust the sound level and it will sound like same volume in both ears. So they can adjust it from here manually. So here you can see you can go to left or you can go towards right. The next thing is if you want ambient sound like a hearing aid, you can enable this option from here. So you can also increase or decrease the ambient sound volume. The next step is about diagnostics. First of all, open the Wearable app and then scroll down, select earbuds settings and then scroll down again and you can see we have this option of diagnostics. So you can select this option. It will open Samsung members app and then from here select this support page. And then here you can see we have this option of Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. So you can select it from here. So now you can test different parameters to check if your earbuds have any issue. So you can check for updates, in-ear detection, touch sensor, speaker, mic, battery status and cable charging. The next step is about find my earbuds. So open the Wearable app and then scroll down. You can see we have this option of find my earbuds. So you can select it. It will show you the exact location for your earbuds. You can also do other things. For example, if you lost your earbuds inside your room, you can select this ring option. So select ring, then select start and then select play sound. So your earbuds will start ringing. so you can listen to this sound. So then it will be easy for you to find out your earbuds. You can also go for more options. So first of all, I will select stop from here. I will go back and then select this more option. So here you can see the first option is about notify when left behind. So you can also enable this option as well. The next tip is about factory reset or hard reset. So go to variable app and then scroll down and then select earbuds settings. So I will select earbuds settings, and here you can see we have this option of reset. So select this reset option. Here it will ask you again if you want to reset. So I will select this reset option and then it will factory reset my earbuds. Now you have to connect them back. So select this start option and then it will start making the connection with your earbuds with new settings. So just select this Galaxy Buds 3 Pro and you just have to wait for a few seconds and then select pair. Okay, and then it will start pairing with your earbuds. So here you can see, you can select this continue option, select next again, and you are all set. Now your earbuds are connected with your device and they are also connected with wearable app. Now you can use all of these features. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.